In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid in Adobe Acrobat. First, let's open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You will see the familiar interface with your recent files. If you have a document open, that's perfect. If not, don't worry, you can still follow along. The important thing is that you have Adobe Acrobat running smoothly. This setup allows us to navigate through the options seamlessly. You will find that knowing where everything is located will help you navigate the software with ease. Now, let's move on to the next action. Look towards the top of the screen. You will see the menu bar with several options such as File, Edit, and View. Click on the View option. This action is crucial because it is the gateway to accessing various display settings in Adobe Acrobat. By clicking here, you open up a drop-down menu that allows you to control how your document is displayed. Pay close attention to the options that follow, as they can significantly enhance your viewing experience. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Show/Hide. This option will reveal further choices. It is important to take this step slowly. These options are essential for customizing your view. You will see a list that includes rulers and grids. This is where we will make our adjustments. By navigating to this section, you are preparing to fine-tune how you interact with your document. Next up, click on Rulers and Grids. A secondary menu will appear, showing various grid options. Here, you will have the chance to modify how grids are displayed on your document. Grids can be useful for alignment, but they can also be distracting if you don't need them. Understanding how to toggle these settings is a great skill to have. This flexibility allows you to focus more on your content without unnecessary distractions. Now you will see an option labeled Grid. This is the control we need to adjust. It's vital to locate this specific feature because it directly affects how grids appear on your document. When you find the Grid option, you are almost there. This will set the stage for the next step, where we will remove the grid from your view entirely. At this point, it is time to uncheck the Grid option. Simply click on it to remove the checkmark. This action is significant because it will eliminate the grid lines from your document. Once unchecked, you will notice that the grid lines disappear from your view. This helps to declutter your screen and allows you to focus on the content of your document. Remember, this little step saves you a lot of time later by providing a clearer visual for your work. After unchecking the grid, take a moment to observe your document. You should see a noticeable difference in how it looks. This change enhances readability and presentation quality, especially if you are preparing this document for sharing or printing. Knowing how to manage these display settings will make you more efficient in your work. With that done, you have successfully removed the grid from Adobe Acrobat. Congratulations on following along. Understanding how to manipulate display options like this is a valuable skill. It empowers you to customize your workspace to suit your needs. If you need to revert any changes, you can always follow these steps again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Now you know how to remove the grid in Adobe Acrobat, allowing for a clearer view of your documents. Happy editing!